Want to install Binance on your PC? I'll show you exactly how to do it in under 3 minutes. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser. In the address bar, type binance.com and hit enter. This will take you directly to the official Binance website. Once you're on the Binance homepage, scroll down until you spot the download section. You'll see 3 download options displayed, one for Windows, one for Mac, and one for Linux. Click the button that matches your operating system. Since I'm on Windows, I'll select the Windows option. The installer file will begin downloading automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this should take just a few seconds. Once the download completes, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. So, double-click the file to begin installation. First, you'll need to select your preferred language from the drop-down menu, then click OK. Next, the installer will show you where the Binance app files will be saved on your computer. The default location is usually fine for most users, but if you want to change it, simply click the Browse button and choose your preferred folder. When you're ready, hit the Install button. The installation process will begin. You'll see a progress bar showing the status. This typically takes 30 seconds to a minute. Once the installation completes, you'll see a success message and a Binance shortcut icon added to your desktop. If you want to launch it automatically, make sure Run Binance checkbox is checked and click on Finish. The Binance desktop app is now installed on your computer. When you open it for the first time, you'll be prompted to either log into your existing Binance account or create a new one if you don't have one yet. There you have it. Binance is now ready to use on your PC.